Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a trip to the beautiful Oregon coast to visit one of the most iconic places for cheese lovers, the Tillamook Cheese Factory. A little bit of history. It's located in Tillamook, Oregon, a small town on the Pacific coast. Tillamook Creamery has been around since 1909. It's a farmers-owned company. If you ever wonder how the delicious cheese makes its way from farm to the table, stick around because I'm going to show you the entire process from fresh milk to this perfect block of cheddar. Let's dive in. The factory even has a little demo room for kids to show them how the cows are raised and milked. And the best part of the visit was, of course, the sample. They had 3 different cheese samples and I love them all. Let's get into the cheese making process. Cheese making seems simple, but there are a lot of steps to get in for that perfect block. And here's how it's done. First step, the fresh milk arrived to the factory in these big tankers. Next step, the milk is separated into the curd and whey, and this is where the magic happens. And then the curds are pressed to expel more moisture. The salt is then added for flavor and for preservation. Look at those fresh 40 pounds block of cheese. They are now ready to go for aging and further process. After the aging process, they are ready to be cut, weighed, and packed and go for a quality cheese. This is how the cheese are made and the final product which will end up in the grocery shelves. If you're ever in Oregon, I highly recommend stopping by Tillamook Cheese Factory. You can take a self-guided tour, watch the cheese making process live, and of course enjoy the cheese tasting experience. It's a wrap for today. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your cheese-loving friend and hit that subscribe button for more adventure. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next one.